group again is setting up. We have another little commercial break from our sponsors. This is a group of students from my class. They'll be doing TV Repairman.
Hello, TV repair. Can you send someone over? Oh, good, thank you.
Handy dandy TV repair at your service.
Oh, do come in. The TV's over there.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I turn it on, but I don't get anything. No pictures, no sound, nothing.
Sounds serious. Let me have a look.